Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Win Michaels as always, and today I'm going to be taking a look at Euro Swiss francs with you guys, and also I'll be giving you potential opportunities. Where is the best areas to start looking for trading opportunities? Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you also the full breakdown from a multi-time frame analysis, and I'm going to break this down to everyone understanding. So if you stay with me to the end of this video, you're going to understand what I think or what is also happening based on the EURCHF concept with regards to Euro Swiss francs. All right, let's just dive into this one first. I want to start from a monthly time frame. All right, from a monthly time frame, I see a rather odd structure. Okay, I would say I see a odd structure here. This move right here. Okay, this move right here. All right, let me just go down a little bit. So this move right here with this candle right here is a candle right back from 2015, and this also reflected across all the euro or all the Swiss francs pace. Okay, so any pace that has a Swiss franc, you're going to be seeing this huge massive drop here. You're going to be seeing this spike here, but I think this spike here is what we're going to be looking at out for also in the bid to taking this trade right here. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit, and then let's see what also happened here far back 2011. Okay, so we had price trading instead of this structure, and I think this was also periods where, right, so all traders found some sort of floor here, and price just went through that floor and then clearing everybody's stop losses. Okay, so you guys understand that what I'm looking at for a B wave, oftentimes I'm looking for a B wave with a very fast move. Okay, so I'm looking at B wave with very great strength. Okay, so it gives me an idea that I'm actually correct with the analysis for a B lay. Okay, so let's look at this one right here. So I'm looking at an overall a downtrend. Okay, because we're looking at a global trend to be down. Okay, so I'm looking at global trend down. Okay, so we have some little bit of structures here right from past there. Okay, so we had some sort of structure there that created and price then left the territory right there and then made a huge drop to the downside. Okay, so we had some sort of structures like this one here, and then price drop from that point on and then continue downside. Okay, so here is another setup similar to that one right there. So we have another one similar to that one right there with this movement right here. So I think I have some sort of similar structure here, ABC, right, structure which price have also completed on a monthly scale and then started moving down in that direction. Okay, so for you guys that have been following my work right on the EURCHF concept, also on the EURCHF King channel, and also my Twitter handle, whenever I'm speaking about this kind of structure, what I'm looking for a target is oftentimes the B wave. Okay, so in this situation here, or in this example right here, which I'm going to be sharing with you, this is going to be my B wave, and I'm looking at the B wave around the 0.97627 territories right there. So I'm looking at B wave instead of here. So I think that whatever is happening here, we might be looking at an opportunity to still continue downside until price hits that B wave. Okay, so I don't know what's going to happen over the next few days, few weeks, few months. Okay, but what I do know is that whatever trade plan I'm going to be looking at targeting this area right there. Okay, let me just go take this out first. So I'm going to be looking at targeting this area right here. So I want to go down on a weekly time frame. Okay, so we can all see what is going on a weekly scale and how we would be able to plan this one right here. Okay, I need to bring this tool back on a weekly and on a daily first, because I want you guys to see this and get the proper understanding of how to approach this one right here. Okay, first I see a possible downtrend. Okay, so I see a possible downtrend from this extreme right here. You can understand that what we want to be seeing is a downtrend. Okay, so in the bid to that downtrend, the reason why I'm going to be also sharing with you this formation right here is I want you guys to also learn. Okay, I want you guys to also learn the concept as well. All right, it's also good when you learn the concept is also nice because you can as well do this yourself without having to, all right, get into asking more questions, okay, and also waiting for me to give out analysis or trade calls. Okay, so I can just point you in the direction of the trade and you can just go ahead, pick up your trade, and then you continue writing whatever you're seeing in the market, and voila, and you're going to be in good profit. All right. Okay, so we have some sort of structures here. Okay, so if I just want to go ahead and then level that nicely, we're going to be seeing that we have some structures there, and this is what we're having, and price then continue downside. Okay, I'm going to label this for you guys. All right, I'm going to label this for you guys. I just want to do this. Okay, so I'm going to take my time to label this for you guys, and I think it's going to help you a lot as a trader. All right, it's gonna help you a lot as a trader. All right, so I want to do this for you guys. Okay, so we have this formation right here. Okay, so we have this complex structure here, as you guys know. It's a whole of complex structure, but if you look at it closely, you're going to identify what is going on here. We have an A, B, C right here. We have a triangle here, and you guys know what I'm looking at. Triangles can either be with B or with X of the sequence. So what I'm looking at here is I'm seeing an ABCW, an ABCX, and also an ABCY. So what we're looking at here is we're looking at a 3 wave down and any triangle, and also another 3 wave to the downside. So this fits better for a complex structure here. However, some people actually choose to label this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It also fits the criteria. Okay, I just don't want to go into complex labeling for this one here. I just want to keep it simple, because the key rule to Elliot wave is keeping it simple. Okay, you want to keep it simple. All right. Okay, so having said that, we have a very huge drop to downside. Okay, so we started seeing some sort of massive retracements here. So I will label this as well, because I want you guys to get the proper understanding, okay, as to what is going on here and how you can also label your chart and prepare ahead of what is coming. All right, so you can as well prepare that way as well, to also give you some guides. All right, it's gonna also help you in the future. All right, so I put that up. So we have a breakout. Okay, so we have an ABC down, so we have an ABC up. We have a structure like that one. All right, so whatever is happening here could be an X wave, okay, or this could actually be the measured degree W wave, and this could be the X wave, okay, and this could be the Y wave starting to create some sort. I don't know. So, but I want to go down on a weekly time frame. This weekly time frame is when we're going to be looking at what is happening, what is going on with all these price movements here. All right. With all this price movement here, I think one of the things I would point to you in a direction is, I think we might just have had maybe a wave 1, 2, maybe a 3, maybe a 4, maybe a 5. Okay, so I think that's a possibility. If you look at this one here, I would also be expecting to work out an ABC to the upside. Okay, I just want to point out this to you guys. I might be looking at an ABC. Okay, so I don't really know what is gonna be, but I think I have a 5-week move downside. So what I'm going to be working on is going to be an ABC upside. Okay, I think on a 4-hourly time frame we will be able to see what is going on and when is the best entry point here. Okay, so if I'm right with analysis right here, so this is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Okay, in this analysis here, I think what we're having now is that we're having a little bit of contraction here, and we did have some sort of contractions here. Okay, and price have created also an ABC. All right, so I will point it as a C because I did have some sort of structures here. If I go down a 1 hourly time frame, you guys are going to see that we did see a structure, all right, here and also here, that created as the end of the trend. All right, so we could also label this as a wave 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 right there. So we can also label the internal waves here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 to create a wave 3 right here, as you can see. I could also label it with that. Okay, so this is 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 and to 5 right here to create this wave 3 right here. Okay, so I don't want to just go making up some sort of messy charts right now. Okay, so I just want to keep it simply simple. All right, keep it simply simple, because that's the key concept to the Elliot wave. You keep it simple. If it's complex, it's wrong. Okay, if it's complex, it's not good. Okay. Okay, so here on this one here, I think we have a breakout here, so I'm going to point it as a breakout. When I had this drop down here, this was also the drop that got me thinking. Okay, so this very huge drop got me thinking. Number one, I think I'm having an A wave here, so I'm thinking I have a B wave here. Okay, so what I'm looking at here is I think I might be having the next drop to create a C to downside. Okay, so alternatively, if this drop doesn't come, okay, if this drop doesn't come, and I'm starting to think that I have an A, I'm starting to think that I have a B. So I'm working out this triangle right here, and I'm expecting that the next drop should come. Okay, so I'm not going to be the guy to sell the next drop, but what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be waiting to buy the next impulse. Okay, whenever it comes, okay, I'm going to buy the next impulse. So once price drops, create some sort of structure here, I'm going to look at this as a pending buy. So whatever that could take price back into breaking some key environments, starting to form higher highs, higher lows, then I'm going to start looking for opportunities to hop into the trade. Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing with this one here. However, if price contracts inside of here and then break to the upside, then I'm going to look at this as a little contraction here, or some sort of maybe a W, maybe an X, and then I could be expecting that a Y should also continue upside, and then I will be looking for an entry somewhere around at the breakout, and then I'll hop into the trade with a very good amount of risk. All right, that's what I'm going to be doing with you guys, and also stay tuned to my channel and also my Twitter handler. I'm going to be giving you information, so whenever this is ready, I'm going to be sharing with you also price movements as well on other currency pairs. That's the more reason why you need to subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe button right now, and also smash that notification bell on, so you'll be getting all the information whenever I post content such as this one on this channel right here. All right, so see you next time. It's been Michael as always, and I love you all.